Shalom, shalom, shalom. Say this around Masha, Menace, you heard me? Welcome to Empowering Preeminence, Multimedia Productions. I want to give all praise to the Most High, Yahweh. He is the nucleus and the center and the core of my existence. I'm going to get straight to it. This year has been really, really wild as far as the way that I am witnessing many brothers that's kind of like coming along and becoming very, very accustomed and familiar with the red pill, alpha male content. You heard me? And I've been so-called red pill since 2008. And matter of fact, in 2009, I've been red pill since 2008, but in 2009. Me and this dude I used to be cool with created a red pill Israelite camp called Cut the Israelites. You understand? And we did about 17 videos. We did about 17 out of 19 videos was posted by us. The other 2 videos, man, belonged to somebody else. But we were still regularly getting thousands upon thousands of hits. You dig? I used to love the way YouTube used to operate back then. The way YouTube used to operate, you was able to send people friend requests. You heard me? You was able to send people friend requests, and you was able to inbox people too, the way you regularly do on Facebook and whatnot. So you'll have like thousands upon thousands of friends, and then they'll get notification, or they'll get notification that someone posted a video, kind of like they still do today, or you may get notification says such and such sends you a video, and you go and watch it. So it was much easier back then to get views, like, you know, compared to what it is now. I mean, you got to really grind like a mug to get some views. You understand? And you know, a lot of these brothers with red pill content, and some of them are very, very damn good. Some of them are great. You understand? With me, it's not about title, about who came before who, but there is a record that, you know, before there was all the guys that you see today, you understand, there was Cut the Israelites, but nobody knew who he was because we only lasted for a short period of time. And the reason why we only lasted for a short period of time, because the dude who was in charge of the account, matter of fact, he gave me access to the account too. He shut down the account, man, without giving me notice. So when I asked him, I said, "Say, bro, what happened to our Cut the Israelites account?" He's like, yeah, man, I have to shut that down because I got something else in mind. In my mind, I'm like, all right, bro, you understand? You know, I ain't know where his head was getting, because, like, his demeanor kind of shift. I ain't talking bad about the brother, man. You know, I ain't got time for that. Me and him, we went at it on YouTube 8 years ago, and I ain't about rehashing the past, you heard me? You know, I'm not about rehashing the past. You understand? You know, it's still all love. Still love the brother. But I just wish he would have gave me notice so I could download the videos and I could post on my platform. You dig? What I did instead, I was only able to download 2 videos from my Cut the Israelites account, and I downloaded from Facebook, and I happened to put it on my BBS account. That's my first Israelite platform, my first media platform. I do some red pill content too, but not as much as I do with this platform, Empowering Preeminence. For the past almost 7 months, it's been nearly strictly alpha male content. You know, red pill content. Even I've been doing a little bit of that on my BBS before that. We witnessing the change, you heard me? We witnessing the change in the 2020. And I think it's gonna get better for the brothers who wish to, you know, take consistent dosages of the red pill, so to speak. I call it the blood capsule, because blood is the color red. You heard me? Blood is the color red, and of course, capsule is another way of saying pill or tablet. You know, like I said, I'm from New Orleans, man, so we just like to be different. People call it red pill, I call it blood capsule. You dig? People say alpha male and all that stuff. I say alpha lord. I say alpha god. I say alpha monarch. You understand? I say alpha emperor. You understand? Because, you know, I'm thinking majestically. You did? Because we are majestic people. You understand? So when I talk my head about the women, you know, hey, look, you gotta get how you live. It is what it is. You understand? And one thing you don't want to be is to be a studio alpha. Don't be a studio alpha male like you know, you alpha when you're in your own home. You understand? You alpha domestically, but you know, you alpha internally. You know, but you know, and you should be alpha internally like in here. But you don't be alpha internally as far as like when you're in your own house in a safe place, in a safe haven. You know what I'm saying? You alpha this year, you alpha that there. You know, you gotta be alpha no matter where you go. If you at Walmart, man, you alpha. If you at Sam's Club, you alpha. If you at Sears, you alpha. If that still even exists, I think it still do. No matter where you go, man, you alpha. No matter where you go, you heard me. If you working as a garbage man, you alpha. You understand? If you working at McDonald's, you understand, you alpha. You just realize that, hey, look, you know, McDonald's is not your cup of tea, but hey, it's just temporary. It's a temporary service, you know. But you're still alpha, especially when you want to amplify your options. You understand? No matter where you go, man, you are alpha. So it's just like with the studio gangster thing, right? People be like, man, this dude a studio gangster, man. He a studio gangster. He ain't about that action, bro. He ain't about that life. You heard me? He talking all that here. You heard me? And you got a lot of studio gangsters out there, you know. But you got some real gangsters too. The same thing have to apply with this year. You can't be a studio alpha. You can't be a in-home alpha, and then you're straight up beta male shrimp simp. You understand? Outside of your home. You see what I'm saying? Cause that's an imbalance. And according to the Bible, you heard me, that a false balance is abomination to the Most High, but a just weight is the Most High's delight. That's Proverbs. That's Proverbs chapter 11 verse 2. Your little son. Yeah. So like I said, you know, you can't be a studio alpha. You heard me? You can't be a studio alpha. You can't be, you know, an in-house alpha. You know, but then when you're in the outside world, you're full of fear and trepidation. You understand? Now of course you gotta be prepared for whatever, but you can't be full of fear and trepidation. You understand? The scripture says that the fear of you, the dread of you is gonna be upon your enemies, you know, upon whatsoever land that you tread upon. So no matter where we go, man, we should be a feared people, because we are majestic people. We are royal people. You understand? So like I said, I ain't got much time, but I need y'all to take heed, because you got some brothers, man, that got some alpha content, and the alpha content is all right, and some of the alpha content is straight up garbage. And I like what Saint Sinner said. Saint Sinner said that you got brothers who call themselves alphas who are nothing but a bunch of nerds. You understand? And what they do is they taking playbooks from other people. You understand? Whoever this applies to. You understand? If you're gonna develop alpha content, man, make sure you're legit about it. Make sure you are unique. Don't pair it with somebody else said because it sounds good. You know, like the abundance mindset. Like people say abundance mindset. I call it multiple addition polarity mindset. That's my collegiate way of saying abundance mindset. Multiple addition polarity mindset. You see what I'm saying? Multiple deals with increase. Addition deals with increase. Polarity deals with increase. You see what I'm saying? So that's all I want to say on that. I ain't got enough time, bro. But like I said, man, y'all hit that like button, hit that share button, man, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, you heard me? Like I said, you know, I'm not gonna give y'all generic content, man. So y'all hit that subscribe button, you heard me? And hit that notification bell. And if you want cash at me at Masha Menace 777. Till then, shalom. I'm out.